can you make $500 or 500 euros, as you can see here on my screen, with affiliate marketing using Google Ads in one day? So in this video, in these very short videos, which is going to be less than 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go from zero to having your first $600 a day with affiliate marketing using one simple Google ad and $15 per day ad budget. Yes, $15 US per day in ad budget. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, with the promotion of this affiliate program, I made 517 euros, or let's say $600 approximately in one day. Yeah, that's not a lot of money, right? But it's also more than $10,000 or 10,000 euros per month, which is yours, right? What you could do with extra $15,000 per month or 10,000 euros per month? You could maybe pay for the car payment, for extra vacation to Bali or to Hawaii, or you could do extra, I don't know, mortgage payment, the property payment for your kids and family, right? You can do many things, right? So that's also 6 figures per year. But how you can do this? That's the most important question, right? That's why you're watching this video. So let's go straight into it. But before that, you can later find me out on my Instagram account. So this is my IG account, right? And you can also find out more about how you can have this kind of lifestyle, how you can do affiliate marketing full time, traveling all around the world, right? Whatever you want to do. But the most important thing that I'm going to show you is this. Let's go straight into it right now. What is the funnel? What is the secret, right? The first thing is, as you can see here, right, we have Google Ads. So this is Google Ads, right? And we have digital marketing education. For example, you're promoting Nutra offers, let's say supplements, weight loss supplements, skincare, right? As an affiliate, of course, you don't own the products. But as an affiliate on those private VIP networks, I'm not talking about ClickBank here. I'm talking about private networks, right? Where you can promote weight loss supplements or digital products. Okay, so the first step is set up the right Google ad. The second step is your funnel, of course. What is your pre-sale page? And look, I'm telling you, my friend, if you're watching this video, lots of newbies who are affiliates, they make huge mistake. And again, it's not your fault, I understand. But most people make this big mistake because they think, okay, if I want to sell my product, which is about weight loss or whey protein or whatever, right? And whey, whatever, I don't care, right? Let me give you a simple example, right? You promote weight loss protein and you think, okay, for people to buy my protein, I need to show the products, pictures. I need to show before and after pictures. No, it's not true. Why? Because first of all, you have to understand who is your audience, what do they want, and where they are at. What do I mean by that? Simply listen to me. It's a very important thing. Remember this. If you just get this aha moment from this video, I guarantee you 100% it's worth at least 10,000 euros. At least $10,000 for you in cash. Remember, it's not about the product, right? It's about the awareness of your audience. Let me give you a simple example. If you go to the audience who is already buying iPhones, do you think that you need to show them photos and convince them how good iPhone is for them to make the next buying decision? Of course not, right? But if you have a person who has never heard about iPhone, do you think they need more education, more value upfront about the philosophy, background of iPhone before they make a buying decision? Of course. So you see, it's not the problem about you, it's about your audience. Who are you targeting with your ads, right? As you can see, we are looking for people who are in the pain right now and who need a solution right now. For example, I just had a car accident. I need solution right now. I don't care which doctor, just give me solution now. You see, this is what we do. We are giving solution, we are selling, we are promoting affiliate products to people who need solution right now. They already know they're in pain. They already know the doctor told them, you're going to get cancer, you are going to get diabetes if you don't start exercising, if you don't start taking weight loss supplements, right? So they already know they have a problem. Now the next question is, who should I trust? Whom should I purchase the supplements from? And here is where you come in place, my friend, if you're watching this video, right? It's all about understanding your audience at a different level. So we create a funnel, and then we send them to the MaxWeb or any other affiliate page, like for example, ClickBank vendor page, right? But I'm going to show you why I personally do not like ClickBank. I prefer MaxWeb.com or other private networks. And the reason why is because of lowest saturation. Okay, so this is the sales funnel, right? With different audiences. This is the money, right? Where is you can get sales and conversions as an affiliate, right? With affiliate marketing. You can see at the top we have masses of people, right? Masses of people come in. And then we have middle of the funnel and bottom of the funnel. So top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. This is where the money is, right? Where the money come from. So top of the funnel are the masses, everyone coming in, right? Single moms, stay-at-home moms, teenagers, doctors, lawyers, whoever, right? They just come in. They just come in with intention to lose weight or make money online, right? In this case, it's about losing weight. So they come in at the top of the funnel, right? But now we have to sort and sift to get at the bottom. So the more specific your offer is, the more specific your authority and positioning on the pre-sale page is. And again, I'm telling you, not many ClickBank gurus are sharing this with you in the courses, but there are 5 pre-sale points you need to pre-sell on your pre-sale page for the person to make a decision. If you do your pre-sale right, the sale is easy. Again, the sale is easy. Easy. You know? Because you did your pre-sale right. Right? So it's about pre-selling. That's what's happening before the sale. Marketing, it's what happens before the sale. Right? If you do the value building and all the things correctly, yeah, the sale and conversion is gonna come easy for you as an affiliate because you did the correct job, right? That's a very important thing. Now again, what is the truth about the best-selling offers on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? Everyone wants to promote the best-selling offers, true, right? Correct? Yes or yes? If it's on page 1, you are basically really competing against thousands of others, right? Hundreds or thousands of other people who are the same like you. This is why I'm telling my students and my clients, when we work together one-on-one, when I'm hand-holding you along the way, we will go not to ClickBank, but to private networks to avoid all the huge competition, right? Because we are doing the totally opposite of what ClickBank gurus are teaching you to do. We are doing the different things so you can get better and different results. Correct? Am I making sense here for you, right? It sounds good. So, you have, remember this, right? Most of these people, most of the gurus, they rely heavily on the volume, right? They don't care about you or your success because they have an army of affiliates just like you on ClickBank. They have thousands of Pakistani people, Indian people who are gonna promote them, their ClickBank offer, right, for free, spending some money on Google ads or TikTok ads or Instagram ads or Facebook ads, whatever, right, YouTube ads, because they have affiliates, they build email lists, they don't care about you. But on private networks with us, what I care about you is helping you get the result, because if you win, I win, right? So very important thing. Now what you can do next, if you're watching this video right now and if you're thinking, okay, Tim, I watch your video right now, I watch you on YouTube, I listen to your voice, but I also want to get results, right? That's the reason I want to get results just like you. I want to make money online. I want to make extra $500 or $1,000 per day or per week, right? Doesn't matter, right? I understand. Everyone wants to make money, but they don't want to put work or investment in to actually do it, to get the results, right? Are you understanding what I'm saying to you right now? So what you can do is, you can connect with me one-on-one. You can click the links below this video to connect with me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or even email me, whatever, right? And you can also subscribe, okay? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. So if you haven't yet, please go and click subscribe button to my channel so you can get more helpful tips. Okay, so again, where you can find me is over here on Instagram, right? This is my Instagram, right? You can find me over here. The links again is below this video. Reach out to me, okay? And I will personally help you to get results.